Earlier this year, a political ad showed a real US politician speaking directly to camera. It looked completely real. His voice, his face, his mannerisms, all perfect. Except it wasn't him. The whole thing was generated by AI, and millions of people saw it before anyone flagged it as fake. Today, I'm going to show you 4 simple checks that take less than 30 seconds, so you never get fooled like that. Hey, welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. I'm Alan, still the AI version of me, still keeping it real about what's real and what's not. And yes, I see the irony, an AI version of me teaching you how to spot AI fakes. But that's actually the point. You know I'm AI because I told you. The dangerous stuff is what tries to fool you without telling you. Sam Redcap's here too, and this one's going to test his eyes. By the end of this video, you'll know 4 quick checks you can run on any photo or video before you share it. No apps to install for the first 3, and 1 free tool for the 4th. Whether it's a news story, a viral photo, or a video of a celebrity saying something shocking, you'll know how to pause, check, and protect yourself. Here's the problem. A couple of years ago, AI-generated images were easy to spot. Weird fingers, melted text, faces that looked like they'd been left in the sun. 6 fingers on one hand was basically AI's signature move. Not anymore. In 2026, the best AI images and videos can fool experts. A University of Florida study found that people could only correctly spot a deepfake video about 2/3 of the time. And for photos, they were no better than flipping a coin. Remember in episode 2, when we talked about AI hallucinations, the AI making up fake facts that sound completely real? Well, this is the visual version of the same problem. Instead of fake text, it's fake photos and fake videos. And the same habit applies. Don't trust, verify. 4 checks. You can do all of them in about 30 seconds. Here we go. Check 1. Look closely at the details. AI still struggles with a few things. Hands. Count the fingers. Text in the background. If it's blurry or gibberish, that's a red flag. Jewelry and accessories. Earrings that don't match. Glasses that melt into the face. And skin. If someone's skin looks smoother than any human skin has ever looked in real life, you've either found an AI image or the world's greatest moisturizer. For videos, watch the eyes. Real people blink every few seconds. AI faces often stare without blinking or blink in a strangely mechanical way, like they're trying to remember how blinking works. Also, watch the hair. In deepfakes, hair often moves as one solid block instead of individual strands. And if someone turns their head to the side, watch for the face to glitch or warp at the edges. That's a dead giveaway. Check 2. Ask where it came from. If a photo or video is real, it usually has a source, a news outlet, a photographer, an official account. If something shocking is going viral and you can't find any credible original source, that's a warning sign. A reverse image search takes 5 seconds. On your computer, right-click the image and choose Search Image with Google. On your phone, use Google Lens. If the image only shows up on random social media accounts and nowhere credible, that's your answer. Real photos leave a trail. Fake ones appear out of nowhere, like that person at a party who nobody actually invited. Check 3. Use a free detection tool. There are free websites that can analyze a photo for you and tell you how likely it is to be AI generated. You just upload the image and get a result in seconds. One clever trick: if you think a photo was made with Google's AI, you can upload it into Gemini and literally ask, was this picture created with AI? Google embeds an invisible watermark called SynthID into images it generates, and Gemini can detect it. For other AI images, sites like Hive Moderation offer free detectors. I'll put links in the description. One important caveat: no tool is perfect. They can miss some fakes and sometimes flag real photos as AI. That's why you combine the tools with your own eyes and your own judgment. Think of them like a smoke detector, usually right, occasionally set off by toast. Check 4, and this might be the most important one. Run the emotion test. Ask yourself, does this photo or video make me feel something really strong? Outrage, shock, anger, fear? Because that's exactly what fakes are designed to do. The most dangerous AI generated content isn't trying to look perfect. It's trying to make you feel something so strongly that you share it before you think. Here's my rule: if something online makes you feel a strong emotion and you want to share it immediately, that's exactly when you should stop and check. Take 10 seconds, run the 4 checks. If it's real, it'll still be real in 10 seconds. And if it's fake, you just saved yourself from spreading it to everyone you know. Quick recap. Check 1, look closely at the details: hands, text, skin, and eyes. Check 2, ask where it came from and do a reverse image search. Check 3, use a free detection tool for a second opinion. And check 4, the emotion test. If something makes you feel a strong emotion, that's the moment to slow down, not speed up. 4 checks, 30 seconds. That's all it takes. And I made you a free 1-page cheat sheet with all 4 checks on it. Link in the description. Save it to your phone so you've got it next time something looks suspicious. If you want to build your eye for this, I've got a challenge for you. This week, find one image online that you think might be AI generated. Run the 4 checks. Then come back here and tell me what you found in the comments. And if you haven't seen the other videos in this series, start with the Basics playlist. 3 short episodes that give you the foundation for everything we cover here. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And remember, the AI you should worry about isn't the one that tells you what it is. See you there.